In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete history on Spotify. We will look at clearing your search history, then how to hide what you play from other people. Start by opening Spotify on your Android phone or iPhone. Once it loads, you should see the Home tab with your usual playlists, albums, and recommendations. If the app asks you to sign in, go ahead and do that so your history is available to edit. Now tap Search at the bottom of the screen. It is the icon that looks like a magnifying glass in the center of the bottom bar. The search page usually shows a big search bar at the top and lots of colorful genre tiles underneath, which tells you are in the right place. Next, tap directly on the search bar at the top. When you do this, the keyboard opens and the bar becomes active, ready for you to type. This is also the trigger for Spotify to show the searches you ran recently. Your recent searches will appear just below that bar. You will normally see a vertical list of artists, songs, or podcasts you looked for, each with its small icon on the left. If you have never searched before on this account, that list may be empty, and that simply means there is nothing to delete here. To remove one search, tap the X beside that search entry. The X sits on the right side of each item in the list. As soon as you tap it, that search disappears from the list on your screen, which confirms it has been removed from your recent search history on this device. Repeat that for every search you want to remove. Move down the list and tap the X next to each term you no longer want to see. You can clear just a few items or keep going until the list is empty. Spotify updates the list instantly, so there is no separate save button involved. On some current versions, you may also see clear recent search history at the bottom of the recent search list. If that text appears, tapping it removes all entries in one go. After you use it, the section with your recent searches will vanish or say there are no recent searches, which is your confirmation. Now let us hide your recently played activity so others cannot see what you are listening to. This part controls your social privacy rather than wiping past plays. Open Spotify again if you are not already in the app. You will return to whatever tab you used last, such as Home or Search. Make sure you are signed into the account whose activity you want to hide. Then tap your profile picture. You will find it in the top corner of the screen. When you tap it, a menu or page opens that shows your name, account details, and several options, which means you are now in your profile area. Next, tap Settings and Privacy. This option usually appears near the top of that menu. It opens a long list of categories that control how Spotify behaves for your account. From there, tap Privacy and Social. This section groups all the controls related to what others can see. It is where Spotify places options that affect your friends' feed and profile visibility. Finally, turn on Private Session. When you flip this on, Spotify stops sharing your current listening and friends' activity and stops updating your recently played artists on your public profile. Private Session ends automatically after 6 hours or when you restart Spotify, so you may want to turn it back on whenever you want extra privacy. You have now cleaned up your Spotify search history and learned how to hide your listening with Private Session. So if this helped you tidy things up, please give the video a thumbs up and maybe subscribe for more clear Spotify guides.